Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this crochet stitch for beginners. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Then I'm going to yarn over and to come right in this stitch here, because 1 2 3 and the third loop, then come right, then again in this loop and going to pull one loop, second and the third loop through that way. So as you can see, first loop, second loop and the third loop go through that way. As you can see, this is how it's going to form, right? You can see this is the way it's going to look like in the beginning. So from here to chain 1, turn around or work, yarn over to come right inside here in this back loop. pull through again in this back loop, then again pull through that way, again in this back loop, so you can see that's how it's going to look like. And see, this is how it's going to look like when you crochet. So it can be used in your baby blankets or any crochet project as you wish. As a beginner, it's a perfect stitch to learn. So go to chain one again, turn around, yarn over right here in the first back loop, pull through, yarn over again in this back loop here, then pull this third loop, second loop, So as you can see, now it looks like it's the same as this one. So this is how it's going to come out. As you can see, we have on the back side, it's so soft and clean. So if you miss even one stitch, you might get maybe less or more stitch at the end, so you have to be careful. But still, this is a very beautiful stitch to learn. So I hope you like my video. Till next video, see you. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.